reverse of a number. In this video, we are going to learn how to print the reverse of a digit or reverse of a number. Right. So here there's a number 10. So let me make it as 567 right. So now our aim is about to print this number in reverse order, that is to 8765. For that, we were having different approaches. So we can use slicing that is available in Python, and we can directly use functions, predefined functions available in Python for strings. So what I did is I made this number to be a string as string stir num. So actually 5678 is assigned to num, and what I did is I typecasted this num to string type and assign this string type number to stirnum variable. Now again here I created my list, but it is not so required, right? So what I did is for I in reversed sternum, this is a very easy approach to print it in a reverse manner, right? So for I in reverse sternum, in a sense, in the reverse order, this I is going to be iterated. In general, I will go to the element number 5, after that 6, after that next iteration 7. But right now, because of using of this reverse function over here, this I will going to be iterated from last, from 8, in second iteration 7, in third iteration 6, and so on, like this. So at every iteration, what we are doing is we are printing I. What is the value of I? Oops, we got 8765 vertically, but our need is to have this to be displayed in horizontally. So for that, what I'm doing is I will keep a comma and use and is equals to apostrophes. So if I now print this, I'm going to get 8765, a reverse order of the given number, but there's still a problem arised. What it is means we need a reverse of number. So we need, in terms of number, we need an integer, not a string. Whatever in here it is displayed, it is a string. So to make it to be a number, what we are doing is we are again typecasting it. So int of I. Now I'm printing. Now it's 8765 is integer type of data that is reversed from the given number. So I hope you found this video well. So continue to the channel to learn the top 100 Python codes.